disassembly, I think it's probably like traditionally, like the other one, you push this down and you tilt this. It's been a minute since I've disassembled 1911, but let's try. There you go. There you go. I remember. And then usually you turn this the opposite direction. Traditional, pretty much simple, you know, as if you're 1911 owner, you know the steps. So you align this right here. I love 1911s. You align this right here. And then you push. And then you pull. Yep, that's it. So the internal assembly, pretty standard. This came out flying, so probably like this, yeah. Actually on the opposite barrel. Let's see. Let's take a look at this barrel real quick. Couple of cutouts, really a little thicker on the front end of the barrel there. The barrel feels a little thicker right at this part right here. Slide, nice polish, nice finish, a little sharp here. I think over time with running and owning the pistol, it will feel much smoother. I can't wait for this to be broken in. I think that's usually when a gun flourishes. Flourishes when it's broken in very well. Again, reassembly, so take your barrel, slide it in, lift this up. In this case, this came out from here. We'll slide this in. There you go. Make sure this tab is down because you want to align this tab to the retention here, and then push it back down. There you go. Nice. Okay, bushing, turn this way. Spring in. This guy in. Now turn this bushing. One more time. There you go. Now we got it. Function check. Function check. Good to go. Springfield Armory 1911 Garrison. More to come. Subscribe, share the video. Thanks for watching.